Hi guys, welcome back to another fun makeup video with MyGlamm. Eid is just around the corner and I thought why not I create a simple yet full of glam Eid makeup look for you. So sit back, follow along and let's get the glam on. For the video guys, I hope you liked it. I really love how this look has turned out. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, do let us know what other looks you guys would want us to create. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to MyGlamm. Eid Mubarak.